Namaskaram. If you Google how to lose weight, one of the most common pieces of advice that comes across is to avoid snacking at all costs. Snacking, when done mindfully, can come with a whole host of health benefits. So what exactly is smart snacking? It means eating a small nutritious meal to satiate your hunger and also feed your body with good nutrients. Every time our body is fatigued, it needs energy which comes from food. Whenever you feel worn out after a long day, your body craves something sweet or sugary. The main factor contributing to the development of metabolic disorders like diabetes and obesity is the tendency to eat high-calorie food when we are hungry. Sometimes choosing a salad of fruits and vegetables can get tiresome. So we have come up with several nutritious snacks that are quick and simple to make and will leave you full and satiated. Millet flour laddus. Mix 1 cup of roasted finger millet flour, 3/4 cup of grated jaggery, 2 tablespoons of dry coconut powder, 1 pinch of cardamom powder with milk as required to make a ball. It is rich in fiber and nutrients, are ideal of people of all age groups, but notably for youngsters and pregnant women. Roasted moong dal or split green gram with onion, tomatoes and a dash of red chili will be next. Add a cup of thoroughly washed flattened rice combined with 1/4 cup of jaggery, 1 banana and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. To make a wheat ball or wheat laddu, boil water and add 20 grams of jaggery until the mixture thickens. Stir well till you can form a ball out of it by adding 50 grams of wheat flour, a little ghee, dried coconut and cardamom powder. To make sweet potato fritters, peel the skin, cut the potatoes into slices, season with salt and gram flour and then shallow fry it in coconut oil or groundnut oil. Healthy snacks provide a boost of energy if there is a long gap between meals and the blood glucose levels drop. They also help to curb your appetite to prevent overeating for the next meal. Snacking is a healthy way and also improves your energy levels and mental clarity. Try these healthy yet fulfilling and delicious snack recipes and let us know which one you like the most. We'll see you with another video. Pranam.